Hello everyone, this is Kalsoom Hussain with Case Study 11-1, A Picky Eater. So the person we are talking about today is Greg, who is almost 3 years old. He's growing well but does not talk. He prefers to play alone even though he is able to walk and move about freely. His mother worries about his picky appetite, so she meets with the pediatrician, but the pediatrician reassures her that Greg will eat when he is hungry and she shouldn't worry. But she is worried because it is difficult to take him to restaurants because he does throw tantrums. So he is referred to a speech therapist, but the speech therapist does not address his eating. So some of his medical history include that he was born full term. He has had 3 ear infections but no major illnesses. After a nutrition assessment, he meets adequate energy requirements and consumes excessive amounts of vitamin C and B, and also consumes adequate protein. Some of the food preferences include macaroni and cheese, white bread without crust, and mashed potatoes. Foods that he does not like include hamburgers, fruits, and most vegetables. And he sometimes eats cheese pizza, scrambled eggs, and applesauce, although much of the time he is satisfied with drinking juices all day in his sippy cup. So for question 1, what are the signs that Greg's feeding problem may be related to his speech? Well, Greg does not talk, so he is not able to tell his mother and grandmother what he wants to eat. He self-restricts and throws foods that he does not like. He also throws temper tantrums in restaurants and friends' homes. Question 2. Because Greg is growing well and meeting his energy needs, why not just wait for him to mature to accept other foods? Well, a big problem for Greg is that he doesn't eat meats, fruits, or vegetables, which he could be missing micronutrients from those, and over a long period of time that could be harmful for him. And Greg may have a developmental delay based on the disliked and liked foods. In Table 11.4, some of the liked foods for children with suspected developmental delay include macaroni and cheese and juices of all kinds in a sippy cup. And disliked foods include hamburger meats, vegetables, and casseroles or mixtures of any foods, and he does not like his foods mixed. And throwing food and tantrums are also components of this. Consuming high sugar juices and excessive carbohydrate intake can lead to problems in the future, which could lead to obesity. Question 3, why would there be concerns with the pediatrician's statement that Greg will eat when he is hungry? Well, Greg is satisfied with drinking juices all day in his sippy cup, so he might not choose to eat. And he doesn't eat when others eat. And he does not consume many fruits or vegetables, which are necessary in the diet because they contain essential nutrients for proper growth and development.